Senator Jain, noted lawyer, also joining the broadcast. Sir, thank you for speaking to Times Now. What do you make of this? 17 साल के बाद जैन साहब फाइनली फैसला आता है और जो एक तरह से सैफरन टेरर, हिंदू टेरर थियरी थी, उसको कोर्ट ने मिट्टी में मिला दिया है।
देखिए, इस बार चिदम्बरम and Congress party as a whole, they wanted to target Hindus, to tarnish the image of Hindu religion, and that is why the concept of so-called Hindu terrorism was mooted by them. Actually, it is totally false. It was a conspiracy against the entire Sanatan Dharma, and it was at the behest of some foreign agencies the Congress party was doing. Now everything has come out, and the truth has come out before the public, and it is also proved that case is baseless. There is no evidence to prove that to connect the accused with the crime. Number two, you see that nothing has been found, and Pragya Singh Thakur, Kulkarni, Purohit, and so many persons, they were brutally beaten, and they were abused, and they were targeted, tarnished their image. Therefore, it is a matter of shame, national shame, and it is for the accused persons to prosecute all the prosecution agencies as well as all those leaders who have made allegations against them, false allegations.
But what about justice for them as well? Because the kind of torture that they had to go through for the last 17 years, yes, there is the other side who says that what about those 6 lives that were lost? Because there is still, as far as when it comes to justice for them, that is still, elusive. But when we speak of the current scenario, Mr. Jain, the court has very rightly put out as far as attributing that there cannot be any color that can be connected with terrorism. And especially when it comes to the entire saffron terror theory, do you believe now has been debunked?
That is, I'm saying that now these persons, these accused persons now have been acquitted. They should file a suit for damages, defamation, malicious prosecution, as well as they should be compensated for that, and they should demand from the government to compensate them. And they have fought for 17 years, a long term. I personally met a number of accused persons personally. Pragya Thakur had told me the entire story, how she was beaten by male police officers.
Yes, the torture. Yes.
Torture.
Yes.
And this is shameful. In Indian history, it is shameful. British government was doing, in Mughal era it was being done, but now in free India, it can't be accepted. And all those persons.
Senator Jain ji, thank you for speaking to